Everybody ready? So it has to be a quick morning for me. I have a call a little bit after 10 o'clock today. I wouldn't have traded this any differently, though. I want to be out fast. Market's showing strength this morning, but I think the gap up fails. We'll see what happens. In fact, we were drifting off all morning since we were up, so. Not waiting for us. Darn it. Wow. This was the best gap. Jeez. All right, stop's going to be 55.10 and out of the entry yet. This is just sold off almost $1. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Oh. We can't just short it on the open, though. Oh, I knew this was the best thing. Damn it. Look at this. It's going to go to 54 before 60 seconds even. Look at that. Unbelievable. Let's do 10 by 10. 12 by 10. Do it. Do it right now. Get in it. Get the stop at 10. It's 55.10. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. The weakness is fine. I wish we would have had a better entry. Here. Target's 53. Wow. I did not expect that out of the gate, but I knew this was the best gap. We're lucky we have it. Make sure you have the stop in. Let's quick see how the market is reacting. Yeah. Wow. So I didn't think we'd make a new high this week. Did we? Technically, no, not yet. If we lift over where we open, yes. Wow, is this really touch and go? Touch and go. Touch and go here. Touch and go. I didn't like this. This was a bust. Very upset about this last night. Very upset. Really upset about everything I saw last night. Except for this. Okay, here we are. 53 INTC. Here, let's pay attention. 53.60, 53.50. Let's just see where we can get out of it. I didn't like any longs. Here. Do, 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 do. I don't know what you're talking about, Carrie. Should be in this, though. Let's see. 69. Okay, we broke 70. Oh, you know what I wanted to look at? All right, let's get back over here. All right, who's doing what? Did anybody get out of that there? It was a drop. It was a move. I would have liked a tighter entry with this based on the stock itself, but you take what you can get. You can't argue. It was a great gap, and we're up, and it's going to go. It's going. Everyone still in, and here we go. Under 69 is a new low. We're going to get there right now. Very early, and did not expect this to collapse, and it, you know, whatever. Ooh, did you see that? I think it was an invisible tick, but it didn't print. Here we go. Here, but you could be out of this right here at 60, or you're trying to hold it down to 50. We're getting it. We're getting it. Just it's gonna break 50. Come on. Wow, what a nice trade on a Friday, and what a great week we had. I mean, I was on point this week. Come on. Crap. You could be out. I said 60 and 50. 45. Great week is right. Great week all around. Come on. Come on, Bootsy. I'm trying to get a picture of Bootsy. I texted my friend last night. I'm like, do you have a picture of Bootsy anywhere? She's like, not on my phone. I'm like, try to pull out a picture of Bootsy. Just ask my mom if she has a picture of Bootsy. Bootsy lived a very long life for dog lives. In fact, I remember when Bootsy was getting old, because she couldn't go out for walks anymore, our friends that had Bootsy, he would take her out for what we call a Bootsy ride. He would put her in the car, literally, and take her for a ride around the neighborhood. Literally, we called it a Bootsy ride. To this day, we still call it that. 45. She was so old she could barely walk. She lived forever. Like, we literally thought she'd never die. So, I mean, she could hardly walk, and Big John used to put her in the car and just take her around the block in the neighborhood for a Bootsy ride. It was sweet. I bet a lot of people bought pets last year in COVID. Now that I think about it, if I knew how to take care of a dog, I'd buy one. I wouldn't have a clue. I wouldn't have a clue what to do. I need a separate bedroom for the dog and all the dog toys. Here we go, INTC. Here we go. 48 was the low. We're trying. There. Come on. Or no, it's 45. Crap. Was it 45 or 48? 45. Yeah. You can get out here. I really think it's slower, but you could get out right here. Let me just look at the market. Oh my gosh, my read in the market was right, but it didn't set up the way that I thought it would for the week. But I'm going to be right, but it's not going to go where I think, unless maybe, I don't know, it's 9:36. I guess theoretically anything could happen. Could we crash today? I guess we could. Twitter crashed, and this was a piece of crap in the gap. Yeah, it's a gap and crap. I didn't like this either. This had one lift here, but I didn't do it, and I'm not going to do it now, and it's probably going to lose half of it or more. I just, one of these things where you're like, wow, you know, here, sorry, we have to pay attention, under 40, here, oh, what a nice trade, yowzers. I'm going to be out of this soon, though. This is where it gets hard. You want to hold, but you're up a lot. But you can't be a pig. Ah. Ow! Ow! There. I do think it goes at 53. That was a good exit, though. This is a good exit here. Anywhere in the low 30s or 20s here is a good exit, people. We had as good of an entry as we could have gotten, quite frankly. And I'm giving myself a round of applause for not only today, but the whole week. I literally picked the absolute best single possible gap every day this week. And there was a lot to pick at. So I really deserve a round of applause. So anyways, gap and crap. Well, I don't talk like that, but why did we gap up? Just because of Twitter? Gyro might be right. Is it just because of Twitter? Is that the only reason we were up? I think it was. I'm amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Was it just because of Twitter? Let me look. The market is not too worried about the COVID. Oh, that's a farce if I ever heard.